And the nice thing about this is it is solid, so it's not going to spray dust all over it. Let the liquid hard ground dry. Then you put it into a bath of hot water. Where your painting or drawing was, that will lift.
Right, so that's been painted with this mix, and then when you washed your plate, the liquid hard ground stayed, and that's etched there where the icing.
So where you're getting the foam?
Whereabouts now was the unit?
Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? And they used to be sold in this 1, 2, 3, so it's 6 litres. So I'm going to put cold in there. This is the sort of colour that it goes, and you'll see it go a different colour when we actually put the salt in. So, if there should be a tiny bit of aluminium with a backing on it.
So you're putting a kilogram, right?
Yeah. 960. This is pretty solid. Normally the advice is to add the powder to the water. This is quite nice and solid, so I'm going to just put it in and add the water to it. It's quite damp. If it was dry powder, I would wear a mask. This stuff is actually used to spray the grapes in Bordeaux. So the initial I think the best place to buy this from, unless you can get it from
a chemist brand.
Well, the other thing is that they do sell it from Hawthorne. So Hawthorne print makers actually do sell it. See. This is the first time I've tried this.
Should it do it?
It will, because there's a process going on there, but it'll be very, very slow. And the reason why I'm doing this is to show the difference the salt actually makes.
So the salt just acts more as a catalyst, like an accelerator.
Yeah.
Right. Catalyst.
Chemist.
Right. Right, so Don, if it's, did you say 10 litres altogether?
Yeah.
And you've put 6 of hot, and then 2 of cold. Are you going to put another?
4 of cold.
Put 4 of cold.
Yeah.
Okay.
This pH minus that you add to your swimming pools.
Which we all have.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can take out of the shed, or your pool man will offer you some. This will actually create. It's an acidifier for the swimming pool. So what it do is it acidifies this mix. The acid in it will actually attack the aluminium sulphate, but it won't actually attack the aluminium. So what it'll do is to extend the life of this mix. It also helps it to etch. So your mordant is actually etching at a finer level, because the acid in this, if I can get my notes, because I always get these acids mixed up, is sulfuric. So it prevents the formation of aluminium hydroxide. So it prolongs this. So it means that when this is dead, and you pour it into a storage jar, it'll actually start regenerating itself, because the copper will start regenerating. And then what will happen is that the colour we see this now will gradually come back to this colour. So as it gradually comes back from being totally watercoloured or translucent, it'll come back to being like this, and then you know that's
you won't know the strength. Will you know the strength of it? Will it come back to 100%?